Hello, this is another short video. Jeol Schumacher passed away a few days ago. He was a film producer, and I don't have his full name. I have his first name, and I have his last name, which is Schumacher, and all we have on the middle name is the letter T. So nothing has actually come forward about that yet. It's quite often that you don't know the middle name, or you might know just the first letter of the middle name. So I'm a bit limited to what he can do, what I can do with him, not what he can do. He was he made quite a few famous films. One of the ones that people remember him for was Batman and Robin. And I've got two films here that he made that I've connected his name to. But I haven't found any others. I've only looked at one or two others actually. He did quite a few, so there's more work to be done, and if I could have his middle name as well, then I might be successful in connecting his name to all of them, or most of them. Sometimes it doesn't require connecting a person to everything that they've done in their life, or important things. Sometimes certain things are a lead up to something more important. For example, a scientist might have invented three things in succession, but the main thing is the last one, and he needed the previous two to be able to invent or write whatever he's doing. He needs the other two. So the fact that you can connect his name to the last thing means that you've connected it to the other two as well. I do that with, for example, Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton wrote the Principia. He discovered many things mathematically and scientifically, and it would take a long time to go through all and see if there's a connection to everything. But I found a connection to Principia, and that contains basically all his discoveries. So that's good enough. Once you've found a connection to his main thing, his main work, which was the Principia, so that covers everything else that could be connected for that person. So let's get down to Jeol Schumacher. So very simple one here. We're going to first of all show that he was a film director, and the film director, this uses three systems. So I've got the word film director, and this is his job. So we have 132 as the placement value, and we have 798 for his large value, and we have 549 for his normal value, and if I add those together I'll get 1479. So if you can see that in green, I'm going to change the color. So that's my number, 1479. And I will call that the P and the LV together gives me the whole value, so I put a W there, and the N value, so I call it the WNV value. So remember, they've got the four values, and I can add any of those together to produce a connection. His name is Schumacher, so I'll have to rub this off now. Schumacher, this will be in my book of probably actors I'm doing, behind the screen it's called, or curtain. So yes, his name Schumacher. Schumacher. His mother was Jewish actually, and the Schumacher is a Jewish girl. It means shoemaker, a cobbler. Right. So 99 is the placement value, and I've got 685 as the large value, and the different one I'm going to use is the normal inner value, which is 695. That's the NIV value, and if I add those together I will also get 1479. So we have a connection between his name Schumacher and film director. So the two films which I'm going to connect his name to, first of all Batman and Robin. So Batman and Robin, my favourite heroes when I was a teenager, or even younger. That has a normal inner value of 918. That's an And if I take his name that we have so far, Jeol Schumacher, and I work out the large value, I get 918. My dyslexia is not too good today when I get tired. Read numbers backwards in all sorts of ways. So that is Joel Schumacher equaling Batman and Robin in two different systems, but they are equal. Another film he wrote or made was called The Client, and no, actually I didn't do that one. And that's all I actually have for him. I was showing it, but I didn't like it because I was using a T. But I don't want to use just the T. I want the whole name. So that's what I've got for a moment. I've shown his connection to film director and to Batman and Robin. I'm going to put this one up on YouTube, and I'm going to make another one which will be longer on Ian Holm, who was Bilbo Baggins in The Lord of the Rings, and he was many other things besides, and I'll show a few things with him which are quite interesting. Okay, thank you very much for watching this one. You're seeing that this is all part of the person's mission in their life. They have a connection to what they will become, or what they will invent, or what film they make. All these important things in their life, they have something that attracts them to that thing, and it's all part and parcel of the name. Have a good day.